Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Kyle. Kyle, not Kyle. And today's is my bike check. The bike is an Academy rewire. And also cracked my frame right there. It's kind of bad. This is a video here. So yeah, it doesn't look as bad as it. Yeah, it doesn't look as bad on the video that it really is. I'm buying a new frame anyway, so she be right. But anyway, I want to go through the rest of the bike and the prices and everything. So we start off with the Snafu Magical Forks. They were 169, I think it was, or 160 or something. We come to the Salt bars. They were $50 for the bars. And the grips and the bar ends are Salt as well. I can't tell you the price of that. I'm not sure. I can't remember that. I think it was like $20 for both grip and end thing, Bob. I don't know what it's called. Sorry. Then we got the Colony stem oil slicked, because I love oil slicked and chrome stuff. So yeah, it's a front loader. Unfortunately, I don't really like front loaders, but they do the same job, I guess. Then we got the Kink Black Co tire. That was $25 from Pushies. It's an Australian website, so it's discounted for that. I also bought this back tire at separately as well. I think it's an Academy, I think he said. But yeah, that's pretty much my bike right now. What I want to do I want to get titanium spokes for both of my wheels. And yeah, and we also get like different crank and sprocket. So it's like, leave a comment down below what you think would look good for the rest of this bike. Yeah, thanks again for clicking on this video, and please leave a like and subscribe.